What's up, guys? Powermaster 4 back, better than ever. Turning 18 in about a month and a half, so I can buy my own fireworks. Get a job so I can buy as many fireworks as I want. Got my pyro itch back, ready to get back in the fireworks business, and just ready to get back into my old community with Goonies and all of them great pyros. Um, just got off of Memorial Day weekend, shot some fireworks. One I can remember is Cannon Brand, the Awesome 20, some canister rewraps. They were pretty good. Not better than Excalibur's, but they were still pretty good. Alright, so in front of me today, I got the TNT Fireworks 2014 catalog. I'm ready to show it to you guys, and ready to open it. They got their buy one get two free on selected items, and their buy one get one free on everything else, just like Phantom. Their early bird specials. You got the Premier Club, and you get your free items better. You get better stuff when you come, more stuff when you come earlier. And some low-cost fireworks like poppets and small bees, crackling balls, smoke balls, some 5-shot Roman candles for $4. Alright, so here's the buy one get two free specials. You got the rockets, Roman glories. The rest are fountains on this page. Here's the description. On this, you got your 200 gram or / 500 gram, some firecrackers, and some canister shells, 6-pack. Still not a better deal than 6-shot, no limit. 70. That's only 18 shells for $80. I can buy 24 canisters from my local fireworks shop for $70 from Excalibur's. So still not comparable, but if you want to try them out, go ahead. And you got your 500 grams. Just some. Here's some of the. Here's the description. Sorry if I'm not entertaining you guys, but here's their premium club. Anybody can join. Just sign up, your name, your email, and your address. You get a firework catalog I'm showing you right now. You get coupons and specials and free fireworks for qualifying purchases. Don't know what that's about. But I think it's just like a Phantom where you if you buy. I think you have to buy a certain amount of fireworks with this money. You get a certain amount of fireworks they give you. I'm just going to point out some new stuff for the 500 grammers. You got your Night Watchman, your Epic Explosion, Flawless, Land of Liberty, and Swamp Dog. Here's the descriptions of those. Virtual reality, crisis alert, best of show, spirit of passion, jaw dropper, and jealous neighbor, and night assassin. All of these are buy one get one free, mix and match. I don't know about. I think it's buy one mix and match with the equal or lesser value. I don't think it's greater. but you can ask for further details. What's new? Nothing new on this page. Nothing new on this page. Nothing new. Still buy one, get one free on everything. Mix and match. Alright, now we're getting to the reloadables. Arsenal, I think that's their biggest 24 shot assorted. They're ball shells, I think. I think they're ball shells. Don't count on me for that, but you got the detonator. There's the no limits. They're buy one get two free right now. You got your Magnums, assorted shells, red devils, little artillery balls. They're pretty good for their size. They're 20 shot ones, and they're basic. They're 6 assorted color break shells. And for the prime time, right here, the 20 shot, it's a special run. It's $100 off, and it's still buy one get one free. Here's their multiple, basically 200 gram repeaters. Sorry for the shadow. Ooh, it's horrible. Let me focus on this real quick. Alright, so you got your home turf is a new one. Skull crossbones. It's new. Everything's still buy one free. But there are some ones, I think. Invasion is buy one get two free, and there's it's just that one, I guess. Then you got some new ones over here. Battle Call, Moonshine, Mother, Epic Knights, Blue Magic. And some more over here. And you got your Guilty as Sin. Some of them are buy one get two free. Here are some assortments. Gotta love assortments. Hot shot bag. Everything's buy one free, so you get 2 of these for $30. You got your Liberty assortment. There's always bottle rockets and rocket bag. Then you got your there's always a Roman candle assortment. There's your big bomb assortment. Your super TNT assortment. All American assortment. You can pause it to look at it. With these bigger ones, I'll zoom in to look so you see greater detail. Expedition assortment. You got your. I don't want to zoom in. Here's some balls and just some stuff you can play around with. Then you got your. That's just absolute power assortment. Happy planets, of course. Some fountains, and maybe a repeater in there. You got your Big Bang assortment, 500 grams, single shot tubes, festival balls, and more Happy Planet. And here's the Roman candles. Here's the descriptions for all of them. Your firecrackers, red devils, just some You got a 400 pack of those little ones. Pretty cool. I think like the 400 count is it's only $16, buy one get one free right there. Pretty good. As you can see, not available in New Hampshire. Here's your rockets. I can play with bottle rockets all day. They're pretty fun. The smiley face rockets are buy one get two free, don't forget. Here's your single shots. And your parachutes, those are fun for the kids. You shoot them and they go run for them. Fountains. Some fountains to deal with. Some spinners, smoke bombs. Smoke, I don't know why smoke's illegal in New Hampshire. You got your planes and helicopters, artificial satellites. Here's your sparklers and novelties, tanks, poppets, sparklers, morning glories, snakes, stuff like that. Here's and here's a map. If you need to know where your closest TNT Supercenter is. I know there's stands. I know there's a stand right in front of my local Walmart every year. They just put a new one in Indiana. That's where I live. And that's where the state I live in. But it's southern Indiana, you know. They have to put stores on the border so other states can get to it pretty easy too. So I live right in this dead center of Indiana, so it's pretty hard to get to the stores. There's one right on the border of Ohio, and there's right on the border of Kentucky and Indiana. So it's pretty far drive, but I don't know. I like TNT Fireworks, but if I like them, I'll go to the tent, because my local tent has everything. Almost everything they have at the Supercenters. So that's it for now. Probably more catalogs on the way as we speak. Got my 4th of July plans down. I got a buddy that's going. Me and my buddy are gonna light off some. Me and my buddy are gonna. I don't know where we're gonna shop though, but he wants to spend about $4,000 to $5,000 on fireworks this year. So I'm gonna go shopping with him, of course, to help him what he wants to buy. I'll light them for him. We're gonna do it up north at his mom's house. She lives on a farm, so we do. He did Phantom last year. I told him Phantom's not the best choice. We can go down to Jake's Fireworks or something local, I guess. I wish some of those Las Vegas Supercenters come over here, like Red Apple. Red Apple would be really nice. I know they have some in Michigan, but I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys, all my loyal subscribers. I'm sorry about the giveaway. I was gonna do it. I don't know. I just gave up on this channel. I don't know why. But I don't know. I'll make it up to you guys. Somehow. I will get back to you guys pretty soon, I promise. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and stay tuned.